What is up, everyone? I'm here to show you guys how to make this copycat gluten-free vegan Panera wild blueberry scone recipe that tastes just like Panera Bread Company. I love it so much. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. To a bowl, add in 2 cups plus a half cup of almond flour. Add in a half cup of coconut sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of sea salt. Now just grab a whisk or a spoon and whisk all your dry ingredients until it's fully blended together. After it's all blended together, add in 1 cup of wild frozen blueberries. Now add in a full cup of coconut cream. Then add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then just grab a spatula or a spoon and start folding all your ingredients together until it forms a sticky-ish dough. It should look just like this. Now grab a baking sheet tray, line it with parchment paper, and grab some avocado oil or any type of oil you like to use. Grab a paper towel and smear it all over the whole entire top of that. Now go ahead and grab your scone batter and pour it right on top and scoop it right there. And then just grab something to flatten the top and shape it into a perfect circle. You should basically shape it as you would with the pizza. Make sure it's not too thin on the edges. You need some thickness because scones are not that flat. And you want it just like this. Now go ahead and place it into the freezer and set a timer for 45 minutes exactly. And then after it's done in that freezer and that timer goes off, pull it right out and cut them into a triangular shape. It should kind of be like pizza. If you were to cut pizza, that's exactly the shape you're going for. After you cut them all up, go ahead and lift them up and space them all apart evenly so they're not too close together. After you space them all out evenly, go ahead and grab some monk fruit sugar or some sugar that is coarse and sprinkle it over the tops of your scones very lightly. After they are complete, make sure you preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And then go ahead and place them right in there and bake it for 18 minutes. After they are done in the oven, go ahead and please let them cool for at least 20 minutes. And then just plate them up and enjoy them. Serve them to your family. Eat it with some tea. I hope you love this recipe. It is super amazing. It's a family favorite now. We love it. I hope you love it too. Any questions, or if you make this recipe, tag MeetThePresleys on Instagram or our Facebook fan page, and I'll be so glad to answer any questions or show off your recipe you made in a vlog video. Just send me a picture.